Hi, and welcome to a short video that I've put together for you to give you a tour of the social app here in your OneLaunch desktop search application. So as you know, OneLaunch, especially the desktop docked component, is all about giving you quick and convenient access to the internet and quick and convenient access to the things you do on the internet each and every day. So social apps are yet another one of those things that we all are interacting with on a daily basis. So think of the apps that you have like Facebook, WhatsApp, Messenger, Instagram, LinkedIn. We wanted to do our utmost to give you an option to quickly access those things through our software right from your desktop, right from the OneLaunch dock. So we've done just that for you, and we built what we call our social app. So as with all my videos on the OneLaunch apps, I'll start by reminding you exactly where to find it. Please follow my mouse or cursor top left on your OneLaunch dock. As you hover over the gray plus icon, you'll see the additional apps. We'll open that, and immediately you're in the OneLaunch apps library. So on the second row furthest to the right, you'll see the social app. We've used an icon that shows connection or connectivity to represent our social app. So just click that and it will immediately pin to the OneLaunch dock. If that icon showing, connection and connectivity is enough for you, leave it at that. But if you'd like further awareness of what exactly this icon is, in case you've forgotten, you can, I clicked it, but you can right click it and show label to show that social text label. Either way, to open it, click it, and you'll see the social app. It is very quick, convenient, straightforward. It simply shows the 10, in our opinion, biggest social platforms out there in the US today that we hope are extremely relevant to you. Quick side note, if there's a social app that you'd love to see here in our social app that we don't currently have, just send us an email at support@onelaunch.com, and we'd love to fill it out further for you. Once here, you've got two options. One, you can simply click through to the social platform in question that you want to interact with. So for example, Twitter, let's click through, or maybe you want to click through to your Twitter account, your TikTok account. You can click through to your Instagram, to your Facebook. Facebook, you can see, is actually already pinned. Maybe to your LinkedIn. So very straightforward. Clicks in the center of these social apps within our social app in OneLaunch will take you quickly and efficiently to that website in your OneLaunch Chromium browser. And of course, as soon as you enter your password and that's remembered by our browser for you, you won't have to log in each and every time. So that's one option. But if you find yourself going to these sites all the time, you can do what's already occurring here for Facebook. You can see Facebook is already pre-pinned to the OneLaunch dock, and you can see that green tick mark, the tick box top right, signifying that. So in addition to Facebook, you absolutely love going to TikTok each and every day on your desktop computer, I recommend that you pin that as well and pin it to the OneLaunch dock. So you simply click top right and you can see immediately the Twitter icon has been pinned. I'm just going to right click and unpin, or sorry, not unpin, hide the label of the social app just to make a bit more space. Twitter as well, maybe you go there each and every day, let's pin it. And we'll finish with LinkedIn. So LinkedIn, we're overloaded on the left side of the room for additional apps on your OneLaunch dock. So you can see that LinkedIn there went underneath the additional app section. You have to click the plus button to access it. Maybe you want to make some space. You can hide the label of the dashboard, and that way LinkedIn populates. So now, instead of going through the social app itself each time, you've got your top 3 most visited social platforms pinned to your dock. At this point, unless you want to keep the social app for one-offs to social platforms you could actually just consider unpinning it from the dock. And then you've got your TikTok, your Twitter, and your LinkedIn all there for quick access to those social platforms. Um, so that's the video. It's very quick. We hope it's super convenient and helpful for you, always having that extremely quick access point to your favorite top social apps. Like I've said before in the video, any improvements you'd like us to make to the social app, let us know, or any things that we might be missing that you'd really appreciate to pin to the dock, please let us know, and we can do that and add that to the social app. So thank you very much for watching. We hope that you do use our dock and our browser to connect with your friends, your acquaintances, your loved ones, your colleagues, etc. As these social media companies and social platforms are often just so good at helping us stay connected. Thank you very much for watching.